is a monster.
I'm the Wolfman, and I'm coming here to seduce you, lovely Game & Watch.
Oh.
Not you, Peach, you're ugly.
Have you come to blow down my chinny chin chin? Or
Yes.
whatever?
Yes, I've come to blow your chinny chin chin.
My oh no, fuck you.
Yes!
You get a dose from that. Oh,
Just so you
single.
know. Apparently.
So how many times do you think you're gonna kill yourself?
At least 3. That's side B attack, man.
Dude,
It's
so
kangaroos. Ow.
So you.
Sorry. What's up here? Oh. Oh,
Oh,
I want that.
shit.
I want that.
I know, give me that.
Yes, Mr. Numbers.
Oh, what did I get? Oh, not bad, not bad. Oh, I want that, man.
Oh, you get, man.
Oh my god, you're so gonna fucking destroy us.
Holy shit. Where? Oh, fucking who?
What?
How did you get it?
Yeah, alright. Oh, you died already?
Already dead? Oh my god. Norfair again?
Yo, I'm gonna fucking die.
Alright, well, I'll get some kills while you turn to your final smash. That's cool.
Wow.
Ow, dude. What's up with that? Oh.
What's up with that? What's up
Oh
with
no!
Oh,
shit!
Alright, you
The
clawed me.
dose. What? The baseball!
Dude, what is even happening?
Wow. I didn't need to get that kill, and I just got a kill. That's amazing. Wow, side B also just amazing. Psych. Oh man.
Holy shit.
Hurry off! Ow, I'm not going there. Don't hit me, I'll hit me. You like that reference? Oh man.
You like being dead?
No! Nobody likes that. Nice. Oh, yeah.
Right
I
on.
got
Dude,
3
definitely
beats.
the twat.
The hunter's on, boys. And you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Just
Boom, boom, boom.
Alright,
That
alright.
would be nice.
Oh no. Hurrah! Oh man. Nice.
Oh shit. Dude.
Yo, the dose. And Knuckles is still alive. Knuckles. Why aren't you playable, man? You're such a good one.
I know. Oh, see ya.
Let's make all 6 trophies playable. I play as all of them.
Dude, I absolutely would. That's like an easy ad, too.
Yeah, Little Mac.
I already got
Dark
half the work
Samus.
done.
Yeah. They were all fucking assist trophies. Oh, you don't want that?
Oh, don't worry, man. I got it. Oh, you got that?
Oh, the chicken,
yeah,
no.
dude. He's my guy.
Dude,
He's my guy.
That chicken is your guy. He's insane.
Oh.
Oh,
Dude, I'm going for the fucking Catorce.
Catorce. Spell that word.
Shut up, man.
I
I'm getting kills.
All I know is kills and death.
No!
Yeah, exactly.
Makes such a show of it.
Hey, he's a chicken.
Heat flame. Oh, did I get a kill?
Dude!
What?
Dude, that
nice.
was the side B.
Dude, have you
Nice.
gotten Daisy's down A down?
Down
In
there?
air?
No.
Is it a spike?
I don't think so. I think it's like a combo. That's what I think. Oh, man.
So sad about it.
Yeah, it was. Oh, man. Where is Ola? Hey, let me go.
Don't worry, man.
There we go.
Oh, I got him. You can see
What?
it.
I
Yeah.
did not. That's ridiculous. Alright, I don't want to kill you. I want to kill these other guys.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh. Yo. Doesn't mean I don't want that.
Yo! Alright, man. I guess I'll chill. I guess I'll chill.
Yeah, I guess so.
Alph's looking good out there. I'm feeling good about it.
You think Al's got it?
Alright, buddy.
Oh.
Use that big helmet of yours.
Oh.
Alright, Wolf coming into the spike.
Try.
Oh, we got a flame. Trying to plant a side hoe. Take ball in action.
No!
Ah, right through the crevice.
Boom.
Swiped.
Yeah. Oh, Mike.
Yo, you gotta give up on life now.
Cancel all your appointments. You go into the chamber of death.
Wait. How do you feel about coming dead last?
I know, I wanted to talk, right?
You gotta go to the... You are donezo, my friend. I may have lost, but you lost way worse.